get started with our dry rub. I've got rosemary that I grinded, which is from Zimbabwe, and I'm going to use another rosemary which I got from Tesco. It's just a Tesco brand. Half a tablespoon of black pepper, and I'm adding 2 Maggi cubes. In goes my garlic granules, some garlic powder, some mustard powder, salt to taste as well, and mix it all together, and our dry rub is ready. So I've got my lamb shoulder here, and I'm just scoring it so that all my dry rub will get in between and we can get it seasoned to the bone. So sprinkle the dry rub all over the top. Be generous, don't be scared. So I've got about 6 cloves of garlic that I sliced, so I'm going to just add it where I've scorned the lamb, and I'm just going to add it all in between there. It's going to give it a really good intense flavor. So I'm adding fresh rosemary in between it as well. Rosemary and lamb is just perfect. Refrigerate it overnight and it's ready to cook for tomorrow. And here what I'm doing is just removing it from the cling film, and we're just going to add some onions. I'm going to lay that underneath it so that when it's cooking the aroma of the onions will hit the lamb, and I'm just going to add some more around the sides. This can be used for gravy at the end as well. I'm going to be adding 3 cloves of garlic that I sliced. In there I've got some water with 1 Maggi cube. I'm just going to add it at the bottom of. So I'm going to just put foil paper over it, and I'm going to put it in the oven for about 3.5 hours at 150 degrees. It has been cooking for about 3.5 hours, and I've just removed the foil, so I'm just basting it with the natural juices that's flowing from this beautiful lamb shoulder. I'm just adding it all over just to keep it nice and moist as well. And I'm gonna leave it in the oven again for another 30 minutes just to get it nice and brown over the top. Our lamb shoulder is now ready to be served. Look at how beautiful that is. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Merry Christmas to you all and a Happy New Year. See you next year.